Meaning of dialer.
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 Dialer. A dialer is a software tool or device used to automatically dial phone numbers. In call centers, dialers are often used to increase efficiency by automatically dialing a large number of phone numbers and connecting agents to answered calls. There are different types of dialers, including predictive dialers that use algorithms to predict when an agent will be available, and power dialers that constantly dial numbers without waiting for the agent to become available. Dialers can help organizations save time and improve productivity, but they can also lead to higher call volumes and potential privacy concerns.